So in this video, you will find a detailed information about a foreign driving license in the Netherlands. So when you come to the Netherlands and you want to drive a car, then you need a driving license. And if you have already one foreign driving license and you want to exchange it with a Dutch driving license, then please jump to the timestamp shared in the description box. There you will find a lot about how to exchange Indian driving license with a Dutch driving license. And also I have shared some crucial information about the general rules on the roads in the Netherlands. If you don't have a driving license and you want to get one Dutch driving license, then please continue watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Now let's get started. There are two organizations, those are responsible for issuing your driving licenses and conducting driving tests. First one is RDW, Road Transport Authority, and other one is CBR, Central Office of Driving Certifications. To apply for new Dutch driving license, you have to pass theory as well as practical tests at the CBR. The process for learning to drive and applying for a license is as follows. First, check with your municipality if you are eligible for a driving license. Select a driving school for practical and theory lessons. Request a theory exam with the CBR. Do the theory exam. Complete a health statement. Request a practical exam with the CBR. Do the practical exam. Provide your certificate to your municipality to collect your driving license. You need to be at least 16 years of age to take this test, and you will need to pass theory test in order to take practical exams. Theory exams are available in Dutch as well as in English language. This test takes 45 minutes. You can take a course in the theory at a driving school, although this is not mandatory. You can also prepare by yourself by reading theory book, mostly available from bookstores. To book an appointment for your theory exam, you can log into MyCBR with a DGD and choose Theory Examen Reserveren. Choose the vehicle, time, place and language for your test and pay via iDeal. You have to pay €34.50 for theory test. You will receive a confirmation by email. Make sure you have a proper identification such as passport and are registered with a municipality before making a booking. If you want to change a date, then you can do so via MyCBR. Also, you need to provide a self-health declaration form found at MyCBR. This is to determine if you are healthy enough to take practical exam. Once you pass your theory exam, then start finding a driving school to learn your driving lessons. The practical exams take 55 minutes. Only driving school can book you in for the practical exam. So you need to find a suitable driving school and arrange it with them. The exams can be conducted in any language, but your driving school can help you if you need an interpreter. You must take this test within 18 months after passing your theory test. You need some necessary documents to apply for the practical exam. Valid proof for identification, theory examination certificate, VVJ if necessary, official notification of appointment letter, self-reflection form which you will discuss with your examiner after the exam. It costs €112.75 for the practical exams. So altogether you will cost around €147 to get a new Dutch driving license. If you pass your practical exam, then you will get certificate of competence and a certificate of fitness. Then you can make an appointment with your municipality and present them these certificates along with your colored passport size photo, and then you will get your new Dutch driving license within 5 days. Now proceed to another section, exchanging your foreign driving license to Dutch driving license. Exchanging your Indian driving license to a Dutch driving license is a quick and easy process if you have 30% ruling. 30% ruling is a tax advantage most of the migrants get in the Netherlands. In brief, employee pays tax over 70% of their gross salary. If you have it, then you can easily exchange your foreign driving license to Dutch driving license, and the whole process will not take more than a month, and you can collect your driving license from the municipality. Steps you need to take in order to exchange your foreign driving license to Dutch one is get your personal health declaration from MyCBR. A RDW approved health declaration letter will come to your house within 3 to 4 days. The cost of this health declaration certificate from MyCBR is €39.30. Once you get your health declaration letter, you can call to your municipality office to make an appointment to exchange your driving license. Once you get the appointment, then you can take your 30% ruling document copy, fitness letter from MyCBR, Indian driving license, 2-color passport photograph, and your residence permit card. You have to pay €40 through bank card at municipality office. Once RDW approves all your documents, you will get your Dutch driving license within a month. Some general rules on the road in the Netherlands. If you are a foreigner, then you should keep in mind some general rules to follow in the Netherlands. Overtaking and passing. Overtaking is prohibited at the pedestrian crossing. You can overtake trams on the night, assuming that persons boarding or leaving are not inconvenienced. Priority. You have to give way to all vehicles on the priority road. Vehicles on a roundabout have priority over those joining. If you join a roundabout, you should give way to the left to the vehicles that are already on the roundabout. If you leave a roundabout, drivers may have to give way to pedestrians and cyclists. Trams have priority at the intersection of roads. Also, emergency vehicles have priority over all other traffic when they flash blue lights. So these were the whole procedure to get a Dutch driving license. If you have any question, then do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.